So I've been cooking here for, oh, I don't know, about an hour. Wasn't making any noise like this, and this just came up. It's quite noisy. Not sure what's going on. Check the pellets here. There still seem to be plenty in there. This is the second time I've used the grill. Amidst a ton of other problems. Can't wait to see what this one is. And that probe's way off. While we're at it, here's another probe, 145. And when I check with this one, since we're doing video, might as well. Kind of hard doing this left-handed, but so what? 146, 145, 113, and that is from the probe on the right there. Crazy off. I'm just doing another update here because the sound's getting worse. The probe temperature is even worse than it was 5 minutes ago. It's definitely not 100 degrees. I mean, I've tested it with two other probes. Both say about the same, 145, so I can put a probe in a piece of meat. I'm not sure if this noise has something to do with it, but man, just fix the Wi-Fi on this thing and now something else. I mean, come on guys, just fix the damn equipment. You know, if you gotta refund me money or something, send me a whole new damn grill. I don't know, but I deserve a fully functioning grill. I shouldn't be dealing with this.